So again, this is Hina Kausar from Government First Grade College, Haryar. So this is a third session of industrial economics, and in this session I am going to discuss about the importance of industries. So first of all, I can go through the introduction. The industries in India can be broadly classified into two categories. They are organized industries and unorganized industries. A prosperous nation needs well developed industries to provide the amenities of life to its citizens. So thus the importance of industries can be explained with the various points. So these points are: first one, rapid growth of income. The first and the foremost argument in favor of industrialization is that it can provide a base for rapid growth of income. It is because of the fact that the productivity rates are higher in industry than in agriculture. Second point, employment. With the increasing population, agriculture is unable to provide for employment. Hence, it is very important to set up industries to absorb this surplus labor. Hence, industries can solve the problem of unemployment. Third point, exploitation of resources. Industries are capable of utilizing all the resources present in the economy. They can even make use of scrap and waste materials. Agriculture cannot make use of all these resources. Fourth point, foreign exchange. India cannot earn adequate foreign exchange from the exports of its primary products. It is because of the fact that the demand for such products is very low in other countries. Industrial exports need to be added to the primary products. Fifth point, development of agriculture. The requirements of agriculture are met by the industries in large. Agriculture requires improved farm machinery, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. It also requires storage and transport facilities. All these are adequately provided by our own industries. Sixth point, balanced development. Ours is an unbalanced economy. Our greater dependence on agriculture has made us poor. With the industrialization in the economy, this disparity can be removed. If agriculture is the backbone of the economy, the industry is the energy. Seventh point, self-sustained growth. The rapid development of capital goods industries promote the growth of agriculture, transport, and communication. It also enables the country to produce a variety of consumer goods in large quantities and at a low cost. It also eliminates our dependence on other countries for the supply of essential goods. 8 point, nation's security. Dependence on foreign countries for defense goods is always risky affairs because we do not have good relations with our neighboring countries, especially with Pakistan and China. So that is why the dependence on the other countries for our national security is very dangerous. Ninth point is raise in standard of living. Industrialization increases the efficiency of the workers. A rise in income of the worker raises the standard of living of the people. 10th point is increase in government revenue. With the expansion of industries, the collection of taxes like excise duty, income tax also increases. So it provides more revenue to the government. So these are the some important points which explains about why the industrialization is important in our nation. Thank you.